Welcome all of you in online classes BSc third year syllabus. Today discuss about bilinear transformation in mathematics subject. So here consider first article bilinear transformation. This article belong in complex number. Chapter is bilinear transformation and complex analytic. So in this article consider a transformation and what are conditions for which the transformation is called bilinear transformation, and also consider some problems related from this article. So write first article bilinear transformation. Consider a mapping means transformation. Consider a mapping means transformation. W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. Consider a transformation W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. Here W is a complex number on W plane and Z is complex number on Z plane, and A, B, C, D are also complex numbers in the same plane, and necessary condition for this transformation is bilinear transformation is here is condition where condition A D minus BC should be not equal to 0. So any transformation is bilinear transformation. First write in this form, and after then checking multiples of AD minus multiples of BC. Here A, D, B, C are complex numbers, and minus means difference of these multiples should be not equal to 0. Then complex number transformation is called bilinear transformation. So here small a, small b, small c and small d are complex numbers and W and Z are complex numbers on W plane and Z plane respectively. Here in this transformation W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D is called bilinear transformation, and the required condition is AD minus BC should be not equal to 0. Here small a, b, c, d are the complex numbers and W are complex numbers on W plane and Z is complex number on Z plane. After this I want to consider some questions which are belong to this article. So please write first question. In the first question, which of the following is bilinear transformation? Here given fourth transformation. First transformation is W is equal to 2Z plus 1 divided by 4Z plus 2. Second transformation is 2 plus 3I times Z plus small I divided by minus 13IZ plus 2 minus 3I, and third is W is equal to Z. At last fourth is W is equal to 1 plus I times Z plus 1 is divided by 2Z plus 1 minus I. In this question aim is prove that and check these transformations are bilinear transformation or not bilinear transformation. So for this applying to the necessary condition means AD minus BC should be not equal to 0. Same as previous article. So first write to the given transformation in the solution. In the solution of the first transformation, given transformation is W is equal to 2z plus 1 is divided by 4z plus 2. This is given transformation. W is equal to 2z plus 1 divided by 4z plus 2. Here W is complex number on W plane, Z is complex number on Z plane, and 2, 1, 4, 2 are real numbers. So in the articles, previous articles, please note that small a, b, c, d complex number or real number. So here a, b, c, d are real numbers, and this transformation is denoted by first transformation. First equation is comparing with transformation W is equal to az plus b is divided by cz plus d is denoted by second transformation. So in the question, comparing first given transformation with W is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d. Purpose of this comparing is find to the values of small a, b, c and d. Therefore small a is equal to 2. Here coefficient of z is equal to small a, so a is equal to 2, and plus b plus 1, so b is equal to 1, and c is equal to here denominator. In the denominator, please see to the denominator, coefficient of z is c and coefficient of z is equal to 4, means c is equal to 4. So c is equal to 4 and d is equal to 2, cz plus d, 4z plus 2 in denominator, so d is equal to 2. So after comparing, you complete the values of small a, b, c, d, which are 2, 1, 4 and 2. These values of small a, b, c are real values. So and after this, calculate to the necessary condition of bilinear transformation. You know that necessary condition of bilinear transformation here in the second transformation is bilinear transformation. So necessary condition is AD minus BC should be not equal to 0. So here necessary condition, since AD minus BC is equal to, find the values of this difference, means AD minus BC, where A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 2. Putting all these values of small a, b, c, d, which are real numbers. So A is equal to 2 into D is equal to 2 minus B is equal to 1 into C is equal to 4. Here multiply 2 with 2 is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So according by definition of the bilinear transformation, you know that if AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then given transformation is called bilinear transformation. But here, after comparing with AZ plus D divided by CZ plus D, is confirmed that the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. So by definition of bilinear transformation, you can call that given transformation W is equal to 2z plus 1 divided by 4z plus 2 is not bilinear transformation, because it is not equal to 0, So it is implies that given given transformation W is equal to 2z plus 1 is divided by 4z plus 2 is not bilinear transformation because here condition of the bilinear transformation means AD minus BC should be not equal to 0, but here in this transformation the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. So it is necessary condition for this given transformation is not bilinear transformation. So here write because AD minus BC is equal to 0. So here falling to the necessary important condition of bilinear transformation minus means AD minus BC should be not equal to 0, but in this transformation AD minus BC is equal to 0. Therefore this given transformation is not a bilinear transformation. So is complete solution of the first question. W is equal to 2z plus 1 divided by 4z plus 2. After this consider second question. Second given transformation is W is equal to 2 plus 3i times z plus small I is divided by minus 13 iz plus 2 minus 3i. So here write second question, given transformation is W is equal to 2 plus 3i times z plus small I is divided by minus 13 iz plus 2 minus 3i. In the question first, same process will be as question first. So given transformation is denoted by equation first. After this write the bilinear transformation. W is equal to AZ plus D divided by CZ plus D, which is denoted by second. So first comparing with second and find the values of small a, b, c, which are here complex numbers, and after then calculate the value AD minus BC. If AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then given transformation is a bilinear transformation. Otherwise given transformation is not a bilinear transformation. So here write is comparing with transformation W is equal to AZ plus B is divided by CZ plus D is represented by equation second. So after write to the equation second, comparing these two transformation, first is given transformation and second is bilinear transformation. W is equal to AZ plus D divided by CZ plus D. Here purpose of the comparing of these two transformations are find the values of small a, b and a, b, c and d. So here a is equal to a, coefficient of z is equal to 2 plus 3i. So write it is implied that a is equal to 2 plus 3i and b is equal to plus b plus small I. So b is equal to small I, and in denominator the coefficient of z is called c. So c is equal to minus 13i. C is equal to minus 13i, and at last z d. The value of d is equal to 2 minus 3i, because here Cz plus and d is equal to 2 minus 3i in the denominator. So d is equal to 2 minus 3i and d is equal to 2 minus 3i. So after comparing to the given transformation with the Az plus b divided by Cz plus d transformation, the values of small a, b, c, d are 2 plus 3i, b is equal to small I, and c is equal to minus 13i, and last d is equal to 2 minus 3i. Here all these values are complex numbers. So in the previous article, means article first, bilinear transformation, where write a bilinear transformation Az plus b divided by Cz plus d. In this bilinear transformation, here small a, b, c, d real number or complex number. Therefore, here in this question, means question second, these constants small a, b, c, d are complex number whose values are 2 plus 3i, I minus 13i, 2 minus 3i. So after this, calculate the value of AD minus BC, because AD minus BC is a necessary condition for proof that the given bilinear transformation is bilinear transformation or not bilinear transformation. So find the values of small AD minus BC. Here putting all values of small a, b, c and d in this product and difference. So a is equal to 2 plus 3i and d is equal to 2 minus 3i, minus b is equal to minus 13i. So here you can write plus 13i, and b is equal to small I. Okay, b is equal to small I, and bc, and c is equal to minus 13i. So here plus into 13i. Please one time revise to these values of the small a, b, c, d and inputting the AD minus BC. Here a is equal to 3 plus 3i and d is equal to 2 minus 3i and b is equal to small I and c is equal to minus 13i. So minus plus and write plus 13i, and after this simplify to this multiplication and sums. So multiply to this with this is equal to 4 minus 6i and plus 6i and minus plus minus 9i square plus 13i square. Here write the value of small I square is equal to minus 1. Please care that I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 6i plus 6i cancels from each other, and putting the value of I square is equal to minus 1. So here putting I square is equal to minus 1, and also here I square is equal to minus 1. After this simplify to this product and sums. So 6i cancelled by 6i and only is 4 minus 9 into minus 1 plus 13 into minus 1 is right. 4 minus plus, so 4 plus 9 and minus 13. Please check again. 4 minus plus, so plus 9, 4 plus 9, and 13 minus 1 is equal to minus 13. So minus 13, you know that 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 and minus 13 is equal to 0. So here 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. So it is implies that AD minus BC value is equal to 0. You know that is not necessary condition for the bilinear transformation, because necessary condition of bilinear transformation is AD minus BC should be not equal to 0. So in this transformation, W is equal to 2 plus 3iz plus I divided by minus 13iz plus 2 minus 3I. And the values of AD minus BC means here A, B, C, D are the complex numbers, and product and subtraction should be equal to 0, but here not equal to, here is equal to 0. Therefore, given transformation is not a bilinear transformation, is conform. Okay. So it is implied that given transformation W is equal to 2 plus 3I times Z times Z. Here write please 2 plus 3I times Z plus I is divided by minus 13I times Z plus 2 plus 3I plus 2 minus 3I is not a bilinear transformation. Because here reason is that the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. So because AD minus BC is equal to 0, 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. So in this question you show that the given transformation W is equal to 2 plus 3I times Z plus I minus 13I Z plus 2 minus 3I is not bilinear transformation. For this, write to the given transformation and is represented by equation first. After this, comparing with the transformation which already learned in the article first, bilinear transformation, and what are the conditions, necessary condition by bilinear transformation, AD minus BC is not equal to 0. So this W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D is the transformation. And comparing these two transformations, find the values of small a, b, c, d which are here in the complex numbers, and after then calculate the value of AD minus BC is a necessary condition for bilinear transformation. If this value is equal to 0, then given transformation is not bilinear transformation, and if this value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then given transformation must be a bilinear transformation. So here in this question, putting the all values of small a, b, c, d in this difference and simplify to this, multiply 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i, you can here use to the formula which already learned in the high school classes, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and the value of I square, notice that value of I square is equal to minus 1, putting here. So 2 plus 3i, 2 minus 3i plus I into 13i. This multiples is equal to a square minus b square. So therefore minus 6i plus 6i cancels from each other, and minus 9 square minus 9i square is remain. Here minus 13 and minus is equal to plus. So plus 13i square plus 13i square. After this, putting the value of I square is equal to minus 1. In this question, I square is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 minus and 13 into minus 1. So minus minus plus 4 plus 9 and minus 30 minus 13. You know that 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 and minus 13 is equal to 0. So here in this question, the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. Means given transformation, for the given transformation, the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. So it's confirmed that given transformation W is equal to 2 plus 3i times Z plus I divided by minus 13iz plus 2 minus 3i is not a bilinear transformation. So it's confirmed that given transformation is not a bilinear transformation. So for check to any transformation is bilinear transformation or not bilinear transformation is a necessary condition. First comparing and find to the values of small a, b, c, d. After then find the value of AD minus BC. If AD minus BC is equal to 0, then bilinear transformation is not, then given transformation is not bilinear transformation. If AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then given transformation is a bilinear transformation. So here two questions are completed, first and second. After then consider third question, which is W is equal to Z. Is very important question. W is equal to Z. Consider third question. Third is W is equal to Z. Is very important question for bilinear transformation, and in the examination here asked to means minimum 2 or 3 times. So is equal to W is equal to Z. Third solution is given transformation is W is equal to Z. So same as in the question first and second, given transformation is denoted by equation first. So is equation first is comparing with W is equal to transformation W is equal to AZ plus B is divided by CZ plus D. You know that this transformation is bilinear transformation if the value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0. So here necessary condition for the given transformation W is equal to Z. In the given transformation, please write in this form. Okay. So W is equal to Z is replaced as W is equal to Z. Write in the form W is equal to Z plus 0 divided by Z plus 0 times Z plus 0. And is 1 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Here given transformation is equal to W is equal to Z. So is also write in the form W is equal to Z by 1. So 1 is 0 times Z plus 1 is equal to 1. So W is equal to Z, write Z plus 0 is equal to Z is divided by 1 is 0 times Z plus 1. So this transformation is denoted by first transformation. Means given transformation W is equal to Z, first write in the form AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. So for this W is equal to Z by 1 and 1 in change 0 times Z plus 1 because the value of 0 Z plus 1 is equal to 1. So here you can write by 1 and W is equal to Z plus 0 divided by 0 Z plus 1 is first given transformation. Second is this is denoted by second equation, and here in this question comparing to the first transformation with the W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D, because here you want to do the values of small a, b, c, d. So after comparing you can very easily find to the values of small a, b, c, d, which are here, right? Then A is equal to the coefficient of Z in the given transformation, coefficient of Z is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 and plus B, so plus 0, it is implies that B is equal to 0, and C, here C is equal to 0, the coefficient of Z in the denominator is equal to 0, so C is equal to 0. At last the in denominator c plus z, c times z plus d, so d is equal to 1. Here right, d is equal to 1. So after comparing, is the complete values of small a, b, c, d are 1, 0, 0, 0 and d is equal to 1, sorry, d is equal to 1. D is equal to 1 means a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 0 and d is equal to 1. So given transformation comparing to the second transformation, you can complete given the value of small a, b, c and d. After this, applying to the required condition for bilinear transformation AD minus BC, the value of AD minus BC. If the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0, then transformation is not bilinear, and if AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then given transformation first is bilinear transformation. So the value of AD minus BC is equal to, here AD is equal to 1 and D is equal to also 1, so multiply 1, and minus B is equal to 0 into C is equal to 0. 1 into 1, you know that 1, and minus 0 is equal to 1. Here notice that 1 is not equal to 0, because 1 is not equal to 0. So here 1 is not equal to 0. It is implies that the value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0. In the first article, bilinear transformation, here is necessary condition for given transformation is a bilinear transformation. So in the given transformation, the value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0. So it is clear, confirm that given transformation is a bilinear transformation. So here write given transformation W is equal to Z. It is also right in the Z by 1. Okay, is a bilinear transformation, is a bilinear transformation because the value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0. Is very important condition for bilinear transformation. So here in this question, the value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0. So given transformation W is equal to Z is a bilinear transformation. It's confirmed result. So in this question, first write to the given transformation W is equal to Z by 1, and this W is equal to Z means Z by 1. Change in the form AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. So for change to this form Z plus 0, 0Z plus 1 means the value of 0Z plus 1 is equal to 1, so 1, and Z is equal to Z plus 0. So given transformation Z plus 0 divided by 0Z plus 1 is denoted by 1, and is comparing with the transformation. Here you know that about this transformation, bilinear transformation. So AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. After comparing, you can find two very easily the values of small a, b, c, d, which are 1, 0, 0, 1. So find to the value of AD minus BC, which is equal to 1, means you know that 1 is not equal to 0. So here write 1 is not equal to 0. So AD minus BC is not equal to 0. In this question, the value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0 is confirmed. Therefore, you can write that the given transformation is bilinear transformation. So it's confirmed solution of the third question. And the same as consider the question fourth and the solution. Question fourth. Given transformation is W is equal to 1 plus I times Z plus 1 is divided by 2z plus 1 minus I. Here given transformation is W is equal to 1 plus I times z plus 1 is divided by 2z plus 1 minus I is represented by first, same as question first, second and the third. So equation first is a given transformation. Is comparing with same as above question, is comparing with W with transformation W is equal to AZ plus B is divided by CZ plus D is represented by equation second. So second is the transformation, general transformation, A times Z plus B divided by CZ plus D. Here comparing to these transformation first and second, because you want to the values of small a, b, c, d for checking to that given transformation is bilinear transformation or not bilinear transformation. So for this, here a is equal to coefficient of z in numerator, so 1 plus I and b is equal to 1 here AZ plus B, so AZ plus 1 means B, and in denominator coefficient of Z is C, so C is equal to 2, and D is equal to 1 minus I and D is equal to 1 minus I. So after comparing to the given transformation with general transformation, W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D, the values of small a, b, c, d are 1 plus I, 1, 2 and 1 minus I. Here in this question, the values of small a, b, c, d are some in complex numbers and some others are in real numbers. So notice that in article first bilinear transformation, W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. This AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. Small a, b, c, d are real numbers or complex numbers. So here is an example of that. So after this, calculate the value of AD minus B, because if AD minus BC is equal to 0, then given transformation is not bilinear transformation, otherwise bilinear transformation. So then the value of AD minus BC is equal to, putting the all values of here A, B, C, D, A is equal to 1 plus I, A is equal to 1 plus I, and 1 plus I, and D is equal to 1 minus I, so here putting 1 minus I, minus BC, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2, so 1 into 2. Check to these values of AD minus BC, and here putting the all values of small a, b, c, d and simplify to this. Multiply 1 plus I, 1 minus I, here you can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So write please formula a plus b, here x plus here write capital in the capital form because already present small a, b, c, d. So applying to the capital a plus b and second bracket a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is formula. So here in this simplification you can directly use to this formula a plus b in first bracket and a minus b in second bracket, multiply, this is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to small I, so here a plus b and a minus b. So here complete to the using to this formula, so 1 square minus second means b square. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to small I. So 1 minus I square means A square minus B square. You know that 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 and is equal to 1 square 1. Here write I square is equal to minus 1. Learn please, I square is equal to minus 1. So putting the value of I square minus 1. So minus into minus 1 minus 2. It is implies that the value of AD minus BC is equal to 1 1 plus 1 and minus 2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. It is implies that the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. So here complete the value of AD minus BC for the given transformation. W is equal to this, which is represented by first equation. The value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. So you know that by rules of bilinear transformation, that if the value of AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then given transformation is bilinear transformation. If the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0, then given transformation is not a bilinear transformation. So in this question, the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. So it's clear that you can call the given transformation first is not a bilinear transformation. Here write this. Therefore, given transformation W is equal to 1 plus I times Z plus 1 is divided by 2Z plus 1 minus I is not a bilinear transformation. Because what is necessary condition? Because AD minus BC is not equal to 0. Because AD minus BC is equal to 0. So please revise to again. Given transformation W is represented by first equation is comparing with general transformation. W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D is denoted by second equation. So comparing to first with second and find the values of small a, b, c, d, which are 1 plus I, 1, 2 and 1 minus I. After this, calculate the value of AD minus BC, which is very important condition for so that given transformation is bilinear transformation or not bilinear transformation. So for this value AD minus BC, putting all values of small a, b, c, d here given, the values of small a, b, c, d putting there, and here 1 plus I, 1 minus I, you can apply the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. You know that about this formula. So 1 minus I square minus 2, and also notice that I square is equal to minus 1 about this. So after simplification is equal to 0, means 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, means the value of AD minus BC is equal to 0. This so that given transformation is not bilinear transformation. So here write given transformation 1 plus IZ plus 1 divided by 2Z plus 1 minus I is not a bilinear transformation because required condition is not satisfied. And please, required condition is AD minus BC should be not equal to 0. Here in this question is equal to 0. Therefore, this transformation is not a bilinear transformation. After this, consider next question. In the question second, find the fixed points and normal form of following bilinear transformation. Here I am that find calculate to the fixed points of the given bilinear transformation. After then, write the given transformation which is bilinear transformation in the normal form. So here given 4 questions, w is equal to z divided by z minus 2, and w is equal to z minus 1 divided by z plus 1, and w is equal to 2 plus I z minus 2 divided by z plus I, and fourth is w is equal to z divided by 2 minus z. These transformation are bilinear transformation, and you can check very easily, same as questions first. So here not necessary that check to that these transformation are bilinear transformation, but here our aim that find the fixed points of these bilinear transformation. So consider taken first question, given bilinear transformation is w is equal to z plus z divided by z minus 2 is represented by first. So please, about given transformation w is equal to z divided by z minus 2, here aim that find to the fixed point. Fixed point means, by definition of the fixed point, you know that it is very easy. Fixed point means the value of z on the z plane should be same as on the on the w plane. Okay. So here for one time again, the value of w on the w plane should be same as the value of z on the z plane is necessary condition for the fixed point of any given bilinear transformation. Means image should be same edge of the w plane in the z plane, or z plane in the w plane. So for fixed point, w is replaced by z according by definition of fixed point. So for fixed point, w replaced by z. Please notice that it's very important. W is replaced by z for fixed point, because fixed points are those points for which the value of z and the value of w in the z plane and w planes will be same equal numerically and modulus form, and by definition the same value, same as same. Okay. So here in the given transformation you can replace w by z for find to the fixed point of the given transformation. Therefore z is equal to z is divided by z minus 2. This is equation z is equal to z divided by z minus 2. Okay. Simplify to this equation, and by systematic method simplify to this equation and find to the values of small z. These values are called fixed points of the given transformation. So for this, transfer to z minus 2 denominator in LHS side, write z times z minus 2 and is equal to z. Z is equal to z divided by z minus 2. So z minus 2 in denominator taken LHS side, z times z minus 2 is equal to z. Okay. Here multiply to z square and first z taken in LHS side. So write z minus z times z minus 2 minus z is equal to 0. Multiply to z with z is equal to z square minus 2z and minus z is equal to 0. Here is very important, given transformation w is equal to z divided by z minus 2 is replaced by w replaced by z. After then is very important, this equation solved by mathematics methods, not any method, by mathematical method and systematic method. Then you can find to complete values of fixed points, means values of z. So here z square, in this equation you can cancel to z, and therefore z minus 2 is equal to 0. So z is equal to 2, but is very wrong, very wrong. Therefore by mathematical method, first transfer to this in LHS side, and z times z minus 2 and is equal to RHS side z. After this multiply to this, and first taken in LHS side, write minus z and is equal to 0. So first write in RHS side equal to 0 and applying to mathematical method, and after then multiply to z, this is z minus 2, so is equal to z square minus 2z minus z is equal to 0. This simplify is equal to z square minus 3z is equal to 0. Okay, here z square minus 2z minus z is equal to minus 3z, so z square minus 3z is equal to 0. In this equation you can taken z in the common form, so z taken outside from the bracket is write z times z minus 3 is equal to 0. Here z and z minus 3 are two factors of the given transformation, given equation z is equal to z divided by z minus 2. So please first write in the factor form, and after then find to the values of small z and small z, which are the fixed points. So here fixed points are z is equal to 0, because here in this factor form z divided by z minus 3, z is equal to 0, or so z is minus 3 is equal to 0. It is implies that z1 is equal to 0, and z2 is equal to 3 are two fixed points. So please, given transformation, after putting w is equal to z, applying to mathematical method, and first total equation change in the factor form, after then find to the values of small z, means fixed point. Here you can solve this, z and z cancels from each other, and write z1 is equal to 1 by z minus 2, so z minus 2 transfer in LHS side, so is equal to z minus 2 is equal to 1, so z is equal to 3, and 3, only one fixed point. This is very wrong method for solving to the transformation z is equal to z divided by z minus 2 for fixed point. So please, given transformation by mathematical method, and first is convert in the factor form, after then calculate the value of z, means fixed points. So in this question fixed points are 0 and 3. Here two fixed points, first is denoted by z1 and second is denoted by z2, which are 0 and 3. After this is first solution of the question. Here find the fixed points. So fixed points is the first solution of the question. After this taken second problem is find to the normal form of the bilinear transformation. For this I write here second part. In the second part, find to the normal form of the given bilinear transformation, w is equal to z divided by z minus 2. Okay. So here write given transformation is w is equal to z divided by z minus 2. For normal form, calculate the value of w minus 0, because first fixed point is z1 is equal to 0, So it is implies that w minus 0 is equal to here represented by first. W minus 0 means putting the value of z minus 2 minus 0 is equal to here taken LCM. So write this is equal to 0, z by z minus 2 is write as z minus 0 by z minus 2 is second. So z1 is equal to 0, calculate w minus 0, the value of w minus 0. 0 is the first fixed point, same as second fixed point is z2 is equal to 3, then w minus 3 is equal to putting the value of w from the equation first, z divided by z minus 2 and minus 3. Here taken LCM of these two fractions. So z minus 3 times z minus 2 is divided by z minus 2 is equal to multiply by 3 is equal to z minus 3z minus minus plus 6 is divided by z minus 2, and after simplification is write in the form minus 2z minus 2z minus 2z plus 6 is divided by z minus 2. So same as in the equation second. In the equation second, w minus 0, so z minus 0 in the numerator. So w minus 3 in the numerator should be z minus 3. For this 2 taken from the bracket and is right in the form w minus 3 is equal to w minus 3. So minus taken 2, minus 2 z minus 3 is divided by z minus 2 is third. Please here w minus 3 same form numerator z minus 3 and w minus 0 same form numerator z minus 0. So after this notice that equation second and third, and then normal form of the given transformation, given bilinear transformation is w minus 0 divided by w minus 3. Here two fixed points are z1 is equal to 0 and z2 is equal to 3. Therefore normal form is w minus z1 and w minus z2 means w minus 0 divided by w minus 3. Putting these values of w minus 0 and w minus 3 from equation second and third. Therefore is right in the form z minus 0 divided by minus 2 z minus 3, and z minus 2 cancels from each other by rules of the fraction division. So is called normal form of the given transformation. Normal form. Therefore find to the any normal form of the given transformation. First calculate the fixed point. For fixed point w replaced by z and complete an equation. This equation simplified by mathematical method and first write in the factor form, after then find the value of z. It's called fixed point. Here in this question fixed points are z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 3. So first solution, fixed points are z is equal to 0 and z2 is equal to 3 are fixed points of the given bilinear transformation is complete first solution. And second part, change in the normal form of given transformation, bilinear transformation. For this find the value of the w minus 0. Here 0 is the fixed point. For this putting the all conditions and simplify. Here numerator should be z minus 0. In the numerator should be same form as w minus 0. Means numerator of LHS side and RHS side should be same form for the normal form of the given bilinear transformation. And after then find the value of w minus 3. Here putting all these values and simplification, and here in the LHS side numerator is w minus 3. So in RHS numerator should be same form means z minus 3. So after this, denoted by equation third. Normal form is w minus 0 divided by w minus 3. After this, from the equation second and third, division and applied to the fraction division methods and simplified to the last result is z minus 0 divided by 2 times z minus 3. So it's called normal form of given bilinear transformation. So thanks for watching my video, and same you can solve question second, third and fourth, same process, and you can calculate the normal and fixed points of the given bilinear transformation. Okay, thanks.